Hello and welcome to Raza Digital Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to use Microsoft Word. If you're completely new to Word, or if you just want to learn the basics clearly, then this video is perfect for you. I'll take you through everything you need to get started, in a very simple and easy to follow way. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open Microsoft Word on your computer. If you're using a Windows PC, go to the Start menu, which you can find in the bottom left corner of your screen. You can also press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type the word Word. You'll see Microsoft Word appear in the search results. Just click on it to open the program. When Word opens, it might take a second or two to load. After that, you'll see a few options on your screen, including one that says it's a blank document. Click on that, and Word will open a new, clean white page where you can start typing your content. Now, let's start typing something. Just click anywhere on the white page, and you'll see a blinking line called the cursor. That's where your text will appear. Now, start typing using your keyboard. You can write anything you want, maybe a title, some notes, or just a few practice sentences. Once you've typed something, let's take a look at the top part of the screen. This area is known as the ribbon. The ribbon contains many useful tools and commands, organized into different tabs. These tabs are like sections that help you do different things in your document. One of the most important tabs is the Home tab. This is where you'll do most of your typing and text formatting. You'll find options to change the font, font size, make your text bold, italic, or underline it. You can also align it to the left, center, right, or justify it so that it stretches evenly from left to right. Another useful tab is Insert. This lets you add extra things to your document, like pictures, tables, shapes, icons, or even charts. For example, if you want to insert an image into your document, you go to the Insert tab, then click on Pictures. After that, choose this device to find a picture saved on your computer. Select it and click Insert. The picture will then appear in your document, exactly where your cursor was. You can also move and resize that picture. Just click on it, and you'll see little circles around the edges. These are handles. If you drag a corner handle, you can make the picture bigger or smaller while keeping it in proportion. If you want to move it, just click and drag the picture wherever you want it to go. Now, let's say you've copied some text from another source, like a website or an email. You can paste it into Word very easily. First, copy the text from the original place. Then, come back to your Word document, click where you want to paste it, and either right-click and choose Paste, or simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. The text will appear exactly where you placed the cursor. Once the text is in your document, you can change how it looks. To do that, you need to select the text first. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the words you want to change. If you want to select a single word, just double-click it. To select an entire paragraph, triple-click anywhere in that paragraph. After selecting the text, go to the Home tab again. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose a different font. For example, you might want to change the font to Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. Just click the font name to change it. Right next to that, you'll find the font size. You can click the drop-down and choose a number. Larger numbers make the text bigger, smaller numbers make it smaller. If you want to make your text bold, click the letter B. To italicize, click I, and for underline, click U. You can use more than one of these together, for example, bold and italic at the same time. To change the text color, click the A icon with a color bar underneath it. A color menu will open, and you can choose the color you like. Now let's talk about aligning your text. You'll see 4 buttons for alignment on the Home tab. The first one aligns your text to the left, which is the default. The second one centers it. The third aligns it to the right, and the fourth one justifies it, which makes both edges of the paragraph straight. Try clicking each one and see how your paragraph changes. Let's now talk about saving your work. To save your document, click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. Then click on Save As. You'll be asked where you want to save the file. You can choose your desktop, Documents folder, or any other location. Then, give your file a name. Like my first Word document, and click Save. From now on, whenever you want to save changes, just click the Save icon at the top, or press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Sometimes, you might want to change the spacing between lines or paragraphs. Click inside a paragraph, and then click on the Line and Paragraph Spacing button. It looks like a group of lines with arrows pointing up and down. A menu will appear, and you can choose options like 1.0, 1.5, or 2.0. Choosing 2.0 will double the space between each line, which can make your text easier to read. You can also create lists easily. First, type your list items, each on a new line. Then, select them all and click the bullets icon to make a bulleted list. Or, click the numbering icon to make a numbered list instead. If you want to check for any spelling or grammar mistakes, go to the Review tab. There, you'll see an option called Spelling and Grammar. Click it, and Word will start checking your text. If it finds any mistakes, it will show suggestions, and you can choose to fix them or ignore them. Finally, when you're ready to print your document, go back to the File tab, then click on Print. You'll see a preview of your document on the right, and on the left, you can choose your printer and settings. When everything looks good, click the Print button to send it to your printer. And that's it! You've now learned how to open Microsoft Word, type and paste text, format it, save your file, insert pictures, adjust spacing, create lists, check spelling, and print your document. These are the essential tools you need to start using Word with confidence. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you feel more comfortable using Microsoft Word. See you in the next video.